So welcome back to my Copenhagen series, my vlogs in Copenhagen. So we just landed and we are going towards collecting our baggage and yes, towards the exit of the airport. Right. So this exit here leads us to different platforms for trains, for buses, taxi, and the one this gate is the train journey to Sweden here. So which goes underwater and also over the bridge for some distance in the sea. And yes, we had reached the central station Copenhagen, and just this is just a few clips I shot the video. It's very beautiful indeed, very old but well maintained. Every European style buildings are known for its old architecture. Yes, here it is. Welcome to Copenhagen. And outside the central station we can see and uh, make use of a lot of hotels. It's easy to find them and stay in the hotels very close to the central station. And yes, as I was telling, the beauty of the European architecture, retaining the old monuments, old buildings, gives the added look to the city. Look at those towers, they're beautiful. And yes, the new buildings as well gives a very good look. The overall thing here is maintenance of the old and new, and never destroying the look of the city by continuous renovation. Renovating is okay, but not demolishing the old structures. So our hotel is too is very close to the central station, so we just reached our hotel. Beautiful cruise style 5-star hotel. And let me show you my room tour fresh as soon as I enter. So it's a double bedroom with a study table and 2 sofa seatings, a large window for beautiful view of the city, a TV, and a storage cupboard and an ensuite bathroom. All surrounded by the hotels. So this is for our storage, the coat hanger, another ironing table for coffee and tea. There is the kettle and the bathroom with the tub. And this, we just came out in the evening for our dinner, and we had been to an Indian restaurant, the urban Indian styled urban Indian Indus hotel in Copenhagen. And this is a theater, no, circus, and that is a theater, I guess. And again, the beautiful old architecture, the old buildings are so beautifully decorating the city. And here we reach the urban Indus restaurant. Oh, this restaurant was really pretty, very beautiful. Idols, beautifully styled and maintained. And food was indeed good. Onion pakora and shahi paneer jeera rice, and with a drink. And now we are heading back to our room. Urban Indian, yes. And we have a Tivoli which is very close to our room. There you can see. So the next day morning for breakfast, we had it in our hotel, which was included for our room. So we had our English breakfast with some croissants, bread, egg, apple juice, and yes, one potato patties. So today's destination is to the most famous tourist attraction in Copenhagen. So it's a waterfront canal area with lots of pubs and restaurants. It is the New Han. So keep watching. The next video will be about New Han. And thanks for watching this video. I'd like to end it here. And please do like, share, and subscribe this channel if you liked.